Why the Duke and Duchess of Sussex missed the Queen's diplomatic reception. On Tuesday night, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge were at the Queen's annual diplomatic reception. The event is Buckingham Palace's largest of the year and will bring together more than 1,000 guests including senior royal family members, ambassadors, high commissioners, and government officials. It's a white-tie event and a rare tiara opportunity for Duchesses Kate and Meghan, if Meghan was attending. The Duchess of Sussex and her husband Prince Harry were not at the royal reception, but they had a good excuse. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex spent the evening attending a carol service in support of the Henry Van Straubenzee Memorial Fund, which provides aid for children's education in Uganda. Sunday Times royal commentator Roya Nikha reported the news on Twitter and shared pictures of the event's program, which lists Meghan as a reader. The organization is near and dear to Harry, who is a patron of the charity along with his brother Prince William. Prince Harry joined his wife, giving a powerful and moving appeal on behalf of the charity, established in memory of his close friend Henry, Nikha wrote. The Duke of Cambridge paid tribute to the charity's work with a written message hailing the charity's achievements. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex were later captured departing the event together. While Meghan has not had an announced engagement yet this week, the Duchess of Sussex did attend former First Lady Michelle Obama's London Becoming book talk. After the event, Meghan and Michelle were reported to have had a long talk about the importance of supporting and empowering women across all cultures and communities. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge attended the Queen's annual diplomatic reception. The formal, tiara-worthy event is also regularly attended by other high-ranking royals like the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall. The Duchess of Cambridge was spotted arriving with Prince William for the reception. She again selected the Cambridge Lovers' Knot tiara for the occasion, and we can't blame her, she looks gorgeous.